Today we are going to be working in my Happy Planner, my horizontal spread for the weekly view, March 14th to March 20th. You can see it's St. Patrick's Day week, so I have picked out a couple of St. Patrick's Day things, and then I have some other stickers to add that will hopefully complement it. Hopefully it'll all look good, and if it doesn't, well then it doesn't. Definitely have had my fair share of good spreads and not so good spreads. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put it on my washi tape. Something I've been doing every week this year. I've really enjoyed doing it. It does make some of my boxes a little bit smaller, but they seem to be working for me. So, and it kind of, I don't know, makes me happy. This one's a little thicker than I would have liked. I normally like to use the thinner washi tapes, but I didn't have any like St. Patrick's Day or shamrock type thinner ones. I had a couple smaller green ones I could have used, but you know, why not go all out, I guess. I don't know. So I thought I'd just take these and put them along the top, since St. Patrick's Day is the 17th. And they're cute. So we're gonna do that right now. Just making it mine. This is my business planner, so I don't tend to decorate it a lot, but I do like to add some expression to it and color to it because it's so much prettier. Oh, and then the 20th is the first day of spring. So we have a lot this week, actually. And in case I might forget, I figured I'd throw on a St. Patrick's Day sticker right there because, you know, you might forget. I doubt it, but and then I'm gonna dig into my spring book a little bit from the Happy Planner, and we'll just find some good spring stuff in here, hopefully. But hopefully sticking with this particular green because it is pretty dark. Okay, let's see. Okay, he's cute, so we might use him for my corner down here. Otherwise, I'm sure I can find something else, but he is cute. And it's a little bit big, the official spring one. Let's see what else we have. I'm struggling to find I thought I had one in here, spring sticker. I mean, there's lots of spring, but you know. Okay, let me see if I can look in my other ones here really quick. I have the, maybe the Squad Life one. And that one I think might have, oops, might have something I can use. It has lots of, we could put some flowers on it. Squad Life for the win. And now I just need let's see, something for down there. But we could go back and do that silver bird. Ooh, I love the Hello Sunshine, but that kind of doesn't go. Okay. I could like go on a rant of like all the different. Alright, maybe we could use this instead of my dots. Use some, what is that called? Oh, scalloping? Maybe? I don't know. Probably said that wrong. That's okay. And I was also thinking about throwing these orange ones in because they kind of go off the flowers. Maybe Let's see what else I can find. The to-do. I'll put that guy over here. Up at the top for this dotted section. Okay, now I just have to find my silver bird and see if he works with my randomness that I did. Thought it went. I mean, it kind of fits the vibe, so changed my mind. We're gonna use this guy. Make your own luck, since it's St. Patrick's Day week. And then I'm going to put it on crooked because that's what I'm really good at, is putting on stickers crookedly. Crookedly. Okay, that's not any better. We'll fix that one. And then I was going to look really quick and see if I could find anything else that would go with the orange or gold or whatever you want to call it. So I got that out of here, so we'll go back to here and just see what we can find. Even just some more flowers I think would be great, since it's the first day of spring. And I love flowers. I was thinking maybe I could put one over here just to balance out my orange. Cool, yay. So first day of spring, St. Patrick's Day, huge, fun, busy week. This is my spread. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and I'd love to have you back here again. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time. Have a blessed day.